Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paulina or Travel with Thuo, and on this channel I talk about travel or how you can immigrate to different countries without using an agent or a traveling consultant. So today I'm going to be talking about Vamia College, how you can secure free scholarship. Go study in Finland for free through Vamia College programs. With Vamia College, you can only study for different, for 5 programs where they have openings in August and January. Now we're in August, and today is 7th of August 2023. They opened their link so that people who would love to go and study in Vamia, Finland, can go ahead and apply. So they don't have a lot of requirement, and I'm going to be taking you through that. I'm gonna be recording my computer so that you guys can have a clear view of what you need to do, and you can be able to do it by yourself. So what you need to go is to go on your search engine. Either you're using Google, either you're using Firefox or any other any other search engine that you might be using. So all you need to type is Vamia. As you can see, Vamia College is already there because I've been doing some applications today. So as you can see, you need to go with this one. This is the one written vamia.fi. As you can see here, this is what you go with. So click on that and it will take you directly to the Vamia College website. Okay, here they have different, you can use either English, Suomi, I don't know the other languages anyway. So mine is already in English, and as you can see, you can check here to see the programs that they offer. Let me show you. I'll take you through it. As you can see, they have cook, they have waiters, waitresses, they have mechanists, they have mechanical fitters, and platter welders. So these are the 5 programs that this college offer. Free scholarship or free tuition. And all you need to do is the most required document is your passport. You need to have done either IELTS or Duolingo IELTS. You need to practice. It takes time also, but with Duolingo English test, you just need to do it online. It costs $59 as of now, and the results are normally out within 24 hours. So this program is open from today 7th to 13th. So if you haven't done your Duolingo, I guess still you have a chance. But if they do have like a limit, if they had decided to take 1,000 students for this August intake, after 1,000 people have done the application, they just close the website. So let's get straight into it. So with August, with this month, they are just taking those people who would love to go and study, cook programs or waiter or waitresses program, okay, in English. So this is, we have some other things, information, frequently asked questions, studying about us, but we don't want that. We're just going to go directly to how to apply. So when you come here, it's very easy peasy. As you can see, they say nationality can apply. Age, you just need to be 18 years of age. With student start, there is no upper age limit, so they don't care if you're 100 or 200 years. You can apply for this program as long as you're at least 18 years of age when you're starting your study. Qualification is equivalent to a finished basic education of 9 years. And so that's like a high school graduate. If you're from Kenya or any other part of the world, scan or photo of your original certificate. Okay. So, because you're not from Finland, you need to scan the original certificate of your high school, okay? Because you will need them when you're doing the application. Then you need certificate of international English test. This is where I told you you either do Duolingo or IELTS English test. They say about the enough fund. For this, they need you to have around 800 euro. Okay, so this is what they say. English test language, this you need to have Duolingo with 85 points. So far, the people who have done this Duolingo test, I have someone who got 110, 115, another one got 120. So it's not something complicated as long as you've been speaking and communicating in English. The next thing is if you have IELTS General Training English Language, test 5.5 band minimum. So you see guys, we have IELTS academic and IELTS general. For this one, they just need IELTS general, but even if you have academic, you can upload it. So they say on Duolingo test, choose Vamia as your school and send results and save the file to attach to the application. Okay, so you need to save that file so that when you're doing this application, there's somewhere you'll have to attach the IELTS results. Okay, they also say we don't accept any other test, diplomas or qualification as a proof of language skills. So if you have done all other, I don't know, TOEFL and the rest, they don't take them. They just need IELTS or Duolingo. So as you can see here, they are taking people. The website is open in January and in August. This specific application is for August. We're in August 2023 from 7th. Today is on 7th as I'm doing this video, and the reason why I didn't do it earlier is because I wanted to make sure that the link is open and I'll be able to show you like a sneak peek of how the application form looks like. So they will be open, it will be open until the 10th of August for the student beginning in January. So if you do your application right now, you will be in Finland in January, like you'll join the school in January. So the remaining months will be for you to prepare your documentation and other things. So you can read here to understand what they're saying. You need to fill in the application form accurately, upload all required documents while application period is on. You'll be notified by email when the application has been received. So when you do the application, they'll send you a confirmation email for them to confirm that they have received your application. And the admission result will be announced approximately 1 to 2 months after the application period is closed. Okay, so after 13th of August, you're going to wait at least 1 to 2 months before they release or they announce the results, okay, for the applicant who have been shortlisted. All applicant will be informed whether you're selected or not. So the good thing about it is either you're selected or not, they are going to inform you, okay? They're going to tell you if you've been selected or not. So we go down here, let me show you guys. Approximately 2 months before the results begin, the new student will receive an email about the start of their studies, visit a doctor at your home country to get health document that we require. So they're going to send you the documents, the test that they need you to do in your home country. Then they explain what they need from your doctor. Then arrive to Finland well in time before study begins. The first week will include orientation, students, studies, and practical information about the school. The school will provide the new student with appropriate uniform for kitchen and restaurant work / mechanical work. For students in restaurant and catering services, the following test is obligatory and will take in Vasa. Salmonella. So there's a test that you'll have to take for those who are in the restaurant and catering services. Okay, so right now the link is open. That's why you can see it's written apply now. Do you know what you need to do? Just click there. So I hope the link won't misbehave, because I'm sure so many people are doing the application. And guess what? It's opened. Okay, it's open and it's gonna close on 13th of August at 11:59 p.m. EEST. Okay, so this is the application options. This is where you're going to fill in your information. I'm not gonna fill anything for you right now because again with YouTube, the last time I did a video doing some applications, I had used someone's info and they had to bring my video down. So I just want to take you through so that you guys can see what you need to know. Okay. The good thing, it's a 1-page thing. So I'll take you through it, okay? I'll just take you through it so that you guys can see, okay? You can see, I hope you can see clearly what they need, okay? So we'll start up here, down there. Add study program. So when you click here, there's this cook or waiter. For now, as I told you guys, they're either taking cooks or waiter. They don't have the mechanical program here because with that one they only take those people in January. And also another thing I want you guys to understand, if you'll not be able to do this application this month, you can prepare yourself. You can do either your IELTS, you can either do your Duolingo in advance and wait for January to apply for this. Those who are in mechanical field who would love to go and study in Finland, this is your time. I think this this program is good for those people who would love to move to Finland. Okay, I know not everyone will agree with me or will be excited about this information I'm giving, but for those who are who are interested, you can go ahead and apply. So when you choose, after you choose, you need to go down here and fill in your information. That is your first given name, preferred given name, surname, nationality. You come here, you just need choose your nationality. As you can see, they have all nationalities here because again the program is for everyone. It's not for a specific nationality. It's not for a specific race. It's for anyone who is interested to go and study in Finland. Okay, so when you do that, finish record, that is if you obviously this is for Finland, but if you're from Kenya, you're gonna scroll and click. Let me show you. Let me just teach you by doing what is supposed to be done. Okay, let's go down. I'm Kenya, and I love the zeal we have as Kenyans. Do you have a Finnish personal identity card? No, we don't have. Just finish that. So here you're going to fill in your passport information. That's why I told you guys it's very important for you to have a passport, because if you don't have, then what are you going to fill in here? Okay, you need to fill all those details. Okay, you're supposed to fill in these details. So education, you have completed mandatory information, higher education, upper secondary, general education. So for you, for those who have done high school in Kenya, just fill in upper education, okay? Work experience, no work experience at the industry, other work experience. You can select here. Don't lie, okay? It has no effect or difference. Either you say you have a work experience or not. So just be true to yourself. So here we have IELTS and Duolingo, okay? So we have those people who have 95 to 100, that is 6. We have you. Sorry, I have some messages here from WhatsApp, but it's okay. And we have going this way, okay? So for example, if you had 115 to 120, that means you have 7 if it was IELTS, okay? So that's all you fill in. So you have to do that. And then you have to upload those certificates. So you cannot lie. You have to upload your IELTS or your Duolingo certificate. From there, you go down here. Oh no, who is this? You go down here and then study motivational. So you need to write this one. Oh, you need to write this one. And if you don't know how to go about, if you don't know how to go about this specific what do you call this specific thing of writing, why do you want to apply in this field of study? What are your future plans at the moment? You can have someone to help you, okay? You can have someone to help you on how to go about it. Let me show you something. Then there's the motivation for studying. What motivates you to study abroad? Why did you choose Vamia for your next school? You can ask someone who does it well to help you with the writing, because it's always very important. Then we have the economic motivation. How do you plan to organize your migration and your living in Finland, both financially and otherwise? Okay, I can recommend someone for you guys. If you'd love me to recommend, then just tell me. I'm gonna just leave a comment and I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna do exactly that for you. I'm sorry for all this. Okay. Oh no. Do I have to receive all? Sorry guys, I had to pause so that I can remove the notifications to avoid disturbance. So then there's this one here. You have to read. By filling this electronic application form, you also give your consent that communication regarding student admission can be carried out only by email. If you do agree to these terms, please contact the administrative service and education institution that you're applying to. So you click yes. And then we go down here. Passport is mandatory. Okay, upload a copy of your passport. So you have to upload a copy of your passport. If you don't have, then get a passport and wait for January, and then you will be good. So when you do that, you just need to submit your application. Okay, you can edit what you've done. You can preview. As you can see here, you can either edit or preview. So guys, that's all. It's not that hard to do it, but if you need help, why not ask for help? Okay, so guys, that's the end of the video. I hope this video will help you while you're trying to immigrate to Finland. And let me tell you guys about going through this program. Number one, it's not like going with a tourist visa. You will get there, you're studying, you'll be working. You can work part-time, okay? Like you can be working. Secondly, you don't have to worry about your papers because they will be sorted, and there's nothing bad like living in a country with no right documentation. You live a life where you don't have that much freedom. So guys, I'm wishing you all the best. If you don't make it to apply during this month of August, prepare your documents and then wait for January. It's coming next year. August still they'll be wanting more students to join their college. So take your time, prepare your document. If you don't have a passport, get one. If you don't have the English test, do that, and then everything else will fall into place. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and leave a positive comment on the comment section of this video. So bye bye guys, until next time. Toulouse.